If your hair is constantly breaking off, you are suffering from excessive hair loss, or if your hair is thinning, this video is for you. The first thing you need to prepare this powerful hair remedy is rosemary. I use dried rosemary, which I measured 3 tablespoons. Rosemary is an Asian spice, and there have been a lot of studies about rosemary, which proves how powerful this herb is. The second herb is cloves, which is also packed with nutrients for the hair. The third ingredient is fenugreek, which works like magic for the hair. It treats dandruff and can increase the thickness of the hair. So I combine these 3 powerful herbs and grind them into a powder. Grinding them into a powder will make it easy for us when infusing them, so that all the nutrients will easily be released into the oil. Now that we have the powder, I'll go ahead and transfer it into a silver bowl. For the oils, I used extra virgin olive oil and coconut oil. Olive oil has vitamin E. It is excellent for moisturizing and repairing dry and damaged hair, whereas coconut oil nourishes the scalp, treats dandruff, and revive, dull, and promote healthy hair growth. You can use any oil that works for you. I recently discovered the benefits of neem leaves for the hair. I learned it can increase the thickness of the hair, so I added a tablespoon. The neem powder is totally optional, so don't stress yourself if you can't get some. I ended up adding extra coconut oil because the herbs were a little bit greater than the oil. Now we are going to infuse the herbs into the oil. This is the best method to infuse herbs into anything. So you first boil the water, then you place your herb mixture on top of it. When doing this method, please don't use plastic. The reason for saying this is that it can melt and you will end up losing everything. We will stir this mixture from time to time so that it doesn't settle at the bottom. At this point, it is ready. You can see the color has changed. It is deeper now. So I'll just allow it to cool down, cover it, and keep it in a cool dark place till the next day. It's been about 10 hours and this is what we have. So I'll be making use of a wig cap to strain it. You can use a cheesecloth or any clean cloth you have. If you want the best results while using this hair remedy, apply this oil to your scalp and massage it in. Do this every night for 2 weeks straight and you will thank me later. To store it, transfer it into a clean container and keep it away from water. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.